After a long day of driving through Arizona, we were looking for a place to stay. We found this place. We're in Arizona, very close to New Mexico. Here comes the Bigfoot getting ready to pull into her spot.
Because it's free.
Difficult, tighter.
We have this place to ourselves right now. $20 a night. You can stay for 14 days. This is a very small campground. I am going to say I wouldn't recommend anything bigger than a truck camper here. It's pretty small. We are pulling in here on a Sunday, end of April, and there's only 2 spots for us. So we're taking one ASAP. The branches here are a little low too. I was a little worried about hitting, but we did make it. But yeah, if you guys bring something tall in here, use your best judgment. Taking spot 2. Rick's ready to not be driving anymore today. And this is where we're camping. Rick gets the credit for finding this place. How'd you find this?
This one might have just been Google Maps.
Google Maps.
I just searched camping and just search on.
Do you know what this place is called? Like this, whatever this is up here.
No, I don't. I haven't really looked at it yet.
It's really cool here.
It's really cool.
I wish we had more time, but this is just a stopover.
Yeah.
The Stewart Campground here has bathroom, trash. There is a water spigot over there, so hopefully we can fill up our water jugs. And there's only 6 campsites here. And the Bigfoot just feels so much better here. Bigfoot doesn't really care for being out in the desert. It feels too exposed. Well, the water's a bust. There's no way to turn it on. Wah wah. So out of the 6 campsites, there's about 4 that can fit a truck camper, and that's about it. Out here doing a little workout, and this beautiful woodpecker shows up. We're in Tombstone yesterday, and if you follow us, you know Rick's the collector of Bigfoot shirts or anything. So we think this is like a skeleton Bigfoot Ghost Rider guy. What do you guys think? Let us know. But I think it's a pretty cool shirt. We're about to leave, but we need to go see what all this is about. So I guess we're not actually in the National Monument. It's 23 miles. And of course, there's a paved road, and Rick wants to take the dirt road. We made it to the end of the dirt road here, and we just passed a lot of people that were bird watching. Well, here's why. This place is really cool. There's a couple Forest Service cabins back here, and it's just really beautiful. So hard to get these rock formations through all the trees. Huge cave or hole up there. They literally have all kinds of birds here, even big old turkeys. Well, we're out of here from the Stewart Campground in the Coronado National Forest. We are out on a 2-week trip and we don't get a chance to really see everything that's here, but I think we're going to put this on our list to come back to, because I think there's a lot of area to explore here. I also want to say, kind of in the general area where we are, because I don't know if I said that, but we're down in the corner of Arizona next to New Mexico and Mexico. So it's pretty remote out here. So hopefully we can get back to this place and check it out, because the rocks, cliffs, whatever, it's really, really cool out here.